We'll guide you through how to open image in PowerToys. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a faster and easier way to preview images without fully opening them in another application. Start by looking at your computer's main desktop screen and make sure everything has fully loaded before continuing. Carefully scan the desktop until you locate the PowerToys shortcut icon. Once you find it, place your mouse cursor directly over the shortcut and double-click the left mouse button to open the program. You can also press the Enter key on your keyboard after selecting the shortcut if you prefer using keyboard controls. After launching the application, take a moment to watch the center of your screen while PowerToys finishes loading completely. When the program opens, the main dashboard window will automatically appear on your screen. Move your attention to the right side of the dashboard and slowly scroll downward until you locate the feature called Peek. Hover your mouse cursor over the Peek option and click on it once to open the settings page. The Peek feature window will immediately appear. Search for the option labeled Enable Peek and turn it on so the feature becomes active. You will also notice an activation shortcut setting. If you want to customize the shortcut, select the current shortcut option. A small pop-up window will appear, allowing you to change the shortcut keys to anything you prefer. Save the changes after you finish editing the shortcut. If you ever want to restore the original shortcut, press the reset option to return it to the default combination, which is Control and space. Next, check the behavior page. If you want the Peek feature to run without elevated permission, disable that option. You may also change the Auto Close Peek option according to your preference. After completing all settings, minimize the PowerToys window. Locate the image file you want to preview and click on it once. Finally, if you are using the default shortcut, press Ctrl and space together, and a pop-up preview of your selected image will instantly open on your screen. This preview window lets you quickly inspect the image without opening another application, making it easier to check pictures, confirm file contents, and close the preview whenever you are finished.